You got a grand jury subpoena and you don't know what to do. Okay, let's talk about this. Grand jury subpoenas can be a couple of things. It can be a subpoena because you are a witness to a crime, or it can be a subpoena because you are under investigation and they want more information from you. So what do you do when you get a subpoena? The number one thing that you do when you get a subpoena is don't ignore it. A subpoena is a court order, and failure to respond to a grand jury subpoena can result in a contempt charge. So you want to respond. Now, don't freak out, because if there's a date, you got a subpoena and you're supposed to respond tomorrow, look at the subpoena. You will see a couple of things. You will see the name of the agent who brought you, probably handed you the subpoena, and you will see the name of the assistant U.S. attorney who is asking for these items. You call that person and tell them you received the subpoena, but you need more time. And I'm telling you, 9 times out of 10, an assistant U.S. attorney will give you time. They'll give you a couple of weeks, they'll give you a month. It just depends on where they are in their investigation and how urgent it is for them to get this information. Chances are, if you are a witness, they're going to be really flexible with you and give you as much time as you need. If you are a target to the investigation, you need to call me immediately. So if you have a federal investigation anywhere in the United States or in the state of California, call me and I can call the U.S. attorney and find out, is this person a target or is this person a witness? And if they are a target, you do not answer the subpoena. You let your lawyer discuss the case with you, discuss the case with the prosecutor, and find out what the next best steps for you will be. Now, it is not discretionary. If you get a subpoena, you have to respond one way or another. But as an attorney, I can respond to a U.S. attorney, and if I feel that there's an opportunity to bring you in and talk with them and bring documents into them, or give them access to certain things that they're looking for, as for example, text messages, emails, documents, computers. Those are the kind of things that your lawyer can help you facilitate a meeting or a time to meet with agents so that they can go through certain items. But at all costs, you want to avoid being arrested for failure to comply with a subpoena, and you want to avoid having a search warrant executed, which is much, much, much more intrusive than having to respond to a grand jury subpoena. So if you've received a grand jury subpoena that has been issued by a federal agency, a U.S. attorney's office, call me immediately. My contact information is in the description below.